This is a homemade forge made with a propane tank, a forge burner purchased off of Amazon, a refrigerant can which I cut with a grinder and a cutting wheel, lined on the inside with K-wall, inside that fire bricks. I have a piece of scrap metal I cut, heated up and bent to hold the fire brick up. I have a fire brick in the middle to hold the piece of metal that I work up near the burner. If you work in the AC trade, this refrigerant can won't cost you anything. I cut a hole in the can to fit the forge burner through. And then here I just got a bunch of patio blocks and concrete, whatever I could find, and built it up so I don't have to be on the ground when I'm working on this, or I don't have to be down near the ground.